Good morning. I'm Mohan, your virtual wellness and happiness coach for the day. Love and peace is what we always look for. We always seek love and peace from others. We keep asking for it. But let's understand that we are love and peace. Love and peace resides inside us. So rather than seeking it, we should actually start giving it. Whenever we give it, we first experience it. So let's today affirm that we will keep giving love and peace to all the people around us. Let's gently close our eyes, relaxed and comfortable. Let's experience silence all around us. Let the calmness get encircled around us. We are feeling the nature right now. Let's visualize that we are in the mid of nature. Tall trees around, mountains nearby, sitting near the banks of a river, the water of which touches our feet, and a complete silence. In this world of silence, now let's concentrate on our breathe. Gently breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe in and just hold your breath for a few seconds. And breathe out. Now our mind and body is completely relaxed and we are able to observe God's energy inside us. We are also attracting the energy of nature inside us. Now let's affirm and visualize love and peace overflowing in us. I'm looking into myself right now. My heart is empty and I'm filling it with love and peace. The love and peace is traveling to every corners of my body. Love and peace is just expanding into the every cell of my being. This feel of love and peace washes all over my body. I'm just enjoying this moment. Any past pain, past diseases are all completely washed away by this thought of love and peace. I am love, I am peace, I am compassionate. I continue to give love and peace to the people all around me. Even if I find different values in them which is not matching my values, still I keep giving the same love and peace to them. Their values don't affect my values. I remain calm, compassionate, love, and happy. Repeat this affirmation 5 times a day and keep giving love and peace to everyone around you. Slowly open your eyes and feel this vibration of love and peace. See you tomorrow with the next set of affirmation. Thank you.